everyone, Spa Hitch here again. Alright, so where are we at on this greenhouse? Last video I was just putting the pieces all together. Now we've got our first front frame done. So if you look over here, what we've got, we're going this way. Yeah, this is just very typical of when you're framing a wall, but we've got our regular wall studs here. You can't see them probably here, but they are marked with an X. This here is a trimmer, and then over here we've got our cripples on the bottom. Now usually you wouldn't see a second bottom plate. That was a problem that I had. I measured the windows a little wrong, so rather than recutting all of these or make a new material, I just cut one more. It's not going to matter. If anything, it just adds a little more rigidity. But it's a very big opening, about 8 feet by I think 42 inches. And we're going to have two of these butted up against each other. So that's why I've got this little bit of space here on the end. This is actually going to be the middle. So this is going to be the left side. And then the one here on the floor that we're assembling here, this is the right side. Yeah, I got Tex here helping out. And yeah, it's been going well. So here we've got the bottom piece. I already nailed that one together, so it's ready. And don't worry too much if they're a little bit out. Right now you can see this one rocks a little bit. But that's just the nature of some of the wood we're getting here and using. It's warped. So once we start nailing up all the other pieces on the side, that should straighten things up quite a bit from there. So this will eventually get covered with sheathing, and then where I'm standing in here, this is going to be the next opening for the other side. I think I showed you earlier, these are the windows we're going to be using. So you want to make sure that you give some extra distance for width and for height. For example, those ones are 42 and a quarter height. I did these 43 inches. So that's going to give me 3/4 of an inch of movement. And I gave an extra inch of movement left and right. So we'll be able to put that together. But it's coming along, these wall frames. Yeah, so unfortunately it's still real cold out and there's snow on the ground. So won't be able to see this thing actually taking shape anytime soon, but once we get these done, we can start building our side walls, and those ones will be a little more complicated because they have a slope to them, and there's going to be a door and a window. So these are just one window. It's a little simpler. But anyway, yeah, we're trucking along pretty good here. Very basic tools too. I mean, we've got. I'm using a few screws here and there because I want to pull material and bend it. Normally, you would just nail these, but we do have the nails. And a miter saw to cut our material to length. I don't even have my table saw here, and I'm doing fine without it. So yeah, it's going pretty good. Not a difficult project at all. Something somebody could definitely do, and hopefully when it's all done, we'll be able to grow lots of our own food. Greenhouses are just phenomenal. Nice little do-it-yourself project.